Hello Vintage Outboard Motor fans, this is T-Mike making another video today. Today's video is going to be episode 3 of the bad clutch dog. Alright, so I've made 2 videos previous to this one. First video we took it all apart, found that the clutch dog was bad. Second video, the clutch dog came in, so we put it all back together. And then I put the pressure test on at 10 pounds and let it sit overnight. That was yesterday on a Saturday. Today is Sunday morning, and I come in to check the pressure test overnight, and it said 0. Did not hold pressure. Did not pass the pressure test. So, got a bucket of water. Got to go fill up outside. We're going to drop it in. We're going to try to find that leak, and also we're going to put a drill on the top and see if it pumps water. All right, so Sunday work day for T-Mike. Never ends. Work on it every day. Gotta get it all tested properly. So let's take her outside and see where that leak is at. If everybody's ready, here we go. All right, so we're outside giving a test here on the clutch dog gear case, and it did not hold pressure overnight. You see I got it pumped up to about 5 to 6 pounds, and you see the bubbles coming out. Yeah, we got a problem, and the problem is right there. See the leak coming out of that screw on the gear case? See the bubbles coming up? And it's coming from that screw. So that skeg is either damaged or the screw is not doing its job. So I'm going to take it. Also, while I got it in there, we're checking for the water pump working. That baby works. Water pump works, but we got a leak in gears case. Got to take it back in and figure out how to fix that. Need to get a magic marker and mark that screw right there, the bad one. Right, here we go. The trials and tribulations of vintage outboard motor work. Beauty of it is I got this beautiful view while I'm working. Alright, so come to find out, it was just a loose screw. I tightened that screw up good and tight, and the bubbles went away. Gear case pumps water with no leaks. Alright, ready to put it on to 18. I'm going to put it on my 18 horsepower right there. Put it on that cart and replace the gear case. Put this gear case on there. That's the next move. Here we go. Well, we're inside the shop now. I got my handy dandy automatic refiller, and we're going to put some gear oil in this thing and get her geared up. Here we go. Looks like she's ready. She's overflowing. Alright, she's all ready to go. Alright, I'm going to go take the gear case off of my 18 horsepower 1958 18 horsepower Johnson. I'm going to take that gear case off, slip this one on, and we're ready to take her in the water. So that's the end of episode 3. I'm going to swap the gear cases out. We'll start episode 4 with a boat run, and we'll check to see if the clutch dog repair job is a success or not. See y'all on the next episode. Well, you know, as I'm standing here, sanding down this hood, looking for every little spot that needs to be sanded before I paint it, I got to thinking about it, and the question came up in my mind, would I consider myself a craftsman? A craftsman. So I decided to check it out on the internet. I went on to Google and typed it in, and it came back and it said a craftsman has 3 characteristics. They are thoughtful, they are precise, and they are deliberate. Okay, so thoughtful, yeah, I'm thinking about this hood, the hour and a half it takes to sand it down. That's thoughtful, right? And I'm precise. I'm trying to get every little piece done right. And I'm deliberate. I'm deliberately doing this, standing out on this beautiful day, deliberately standing a hood. All right. There's a couple other things I found on the internet. It says you have to have an eye for managing detail. A lot of details on this hood, and you have to always follow through. A craftsman always follow through. So I don't know if I could call myself a craftsman. That would be for you to judge out there, my YouTube subscribers. But I can tell you one thing, all right? I am gonna follow through. I'm gonna finish sanding down this hood down to the bare minimum and give it a great shot. See y'all next video.